Good day everyone, I am Pauleen and Tungol from grade 10 St. Scholastica, and I am here to talk about where is the location of the frontal lobe, its main function, and other facts about it. Now let's talk about the location of the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is located at the front of the brain, just behind the forehead. It extends from the forehead to the central sulcus. It is one of the four main lobes of the cerebral cortex, with the other being the parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes. Now that we know the location of the frontal lobe, let's talk about its main function. The frontal lobe is involved in a wide range of cognitive, motor, and emotional function. Some of its key roles include executive functions. These are high-level cognitive processes like planning, decision-making, problem-solving, and organizing. The prefrontal cortex, which is a part of the frontal lobe, plays a central role in these functions. Motor control. The primary motor cortex, located in the posterior part of the frontal lobe, controls voluntary muscle movements. Different regions within the motor cortex are responsible for specific body parts, organized somatotopically. Speech production. Broca's area, typically located in the left hemisphere's frontal lobe, is crucial for speech production and language processing. Damage to this area can result in a condition called Broca aphasia, which impairs the ability to speak but typically preserves comprehension. Attention and focus. The frontal lobe is involved in maintaining attention, concentration, and cognitive flexibility, helping individuals switch between tasks or thoughts. The last main function of the frontal lobe is memory. The frontal lobe, particularly the prefrontal cortex, contributes to working memory, which involves the temporary storage and manipulation. Now let's talk about other facts about frontal lobe. Development. The frontal lobe is one of the last regions of the brain to mature, continuing to develop into a person's mid-20s. This is why teenagers are often show less impulse control and better decision-making abilities later in life. Frontal lobotomy. Historically, frontal lobotomies were performed as a treatment for various psychiatric disorders, especially in the mid-20th century. This procedure involved damaging the frontal lobe, but it often resulted in severe personality changes and impairments in cognition and emotion regulation. Injury effects. Damage to the frontal lobe can cause a variety of symptoms, including difficulty with motor control, speech, emotional regulation, and higher-order cognitive functions. Common causes of damage include traumatic brain injury, stroke, and certain neurodegenerative conditions. Lateralization. Although both hemispheres of frontal lobe contribute to executive functions, language, and motor control, the left hemisphere typically has a dominant role in speech and language production, while the right hemisphere plays a greater role in nonverbal tasks and social cognition. That's all about the frontal lobe. Thank you.